Okay. So what did you think about, where did you come from?
I basically hail from Jammu. I live in Jammu permanently. My son is here in New Jersey.
Okay.
I had come to visit him. It's about 5 months now. So this is my first occasion to join such an aggregation here of KOR particularly. I was very happy, truly.
Really?
My outstanding impression is that there is no negative feeling here.
Excellent.
It's a positivity that is overall the dominating factor. And that gives me a thrill.
Okay.
And it's wonderful. I wish such a positive approach is developed in all members of our community wherever they are.
Okay,
It
that
will be
was great.
exciting, yes.
Did you like the place that they have chosen for this?
It is a beautiful place.
Beautiful,
It's
right?
a beautiful place.
And what do you think about the programs that you saw? Archana ji's program, Asha ji's program.
Programs are okay. Well, Archanaji's program or for the Ushaji's program, their programs is dependent on their performance.
Exactly.
And we know them, we have been knowing them earlier also. But the program that they did here was okay for this surrounding.
Very
It was
nice.
quite fun.
And what about what do you think that if you came here next year, or if whenever you are here in US again,
Right.
you would like to come to the Kashmiri camp again?
Doubtless. Whenever I am in America, Eastern area, around this time, I shall definitely join.
Oh, excellent.
Because it's such a time to interact with people, our own people.
Exactly.
And as I told you about the positivity aspect of it, they have the positivity approach. We are human beings full of flaws. But then if we come together and generate a positivity, it's a wonderful thing. It's a building thing, a building material for our welfare, well-being.
Is this something that you thought could be improved upon for next time, that you would like to see happen next time?
Yes, I would wish that a greater stress is laid on our tradition. Something is done towards that.
Okay.
In addition to cultural and other things.
Okay.
If some interaction with respect to our roots and past and our philosophical background, if any program is done with respect to that or regarding that, it would be helpful.